Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today my topic is Snipe IT, an open source asset management tool which is free and you can easily install on the CentOS Linux, CentOS or the Ubuntu OS. Today I am going to guide you how you can create read-only user in your Snipe IT management tool or the server. The user can only read the server, read the dashboard, only can view the asset licenses, whatever you have added in your Snipe IT server. First of all, we have to log in with our admin user. Then you have to find this people option and click on this people button, and from here you can create a new user. You have to click on this new button and name, the first name and then last name, and then username. Then you have to add the password. You can create the password by this generate button. This user can be able to log in. You can be able to add the email address of this user. As soon as the user will be created, this user will be notified through the email notification. You can upload a profile image if the guy has some optional information. You can assign the permission and access in this form, and you can also add some important information here as well. If you want to assign any company, you can select here. Then the language, if you want to assign some particular language, you can add the employee number, title, who is the manager of this user, you can assign from here. Then the department, start date, end date. If the because this user is a read only user, we are not going to assign these of three any of these three options. Then you can assign location, phone number, website. These are not the compulsory one, but for the information purpose you can be able to add all these information here as well. And you are going to click on the save button to create this user. I'm not going to assign the group yet because I haven't created any read only group. So the user has been created, read user. Now we are going to create the read only group. You have to go to this option and click on this groups option available here. Create a new group. You can also edit any of the group, but I am going to create a new group. I'm going to name it read only group, and I am not going to assign any of these options to this user. I'm going to assign reports view, and I am going to assign the user asset can be viewed by this user, accessories can be viewed by this of user, consumable can be viewed by this user. Same in every option. If you want to make this user to view all the inventory or the assets available in your server, you don't want to see him the location, not the companies, this self authentication, and click on this save button. Now I am going to assign these permissions to the user. For that purpose you have to open that user and edit the user and assign the read only group from here and click on the save button. The permissions and the group has been assigned to this user. Now I am going to log in with the newly created user. Let me check what is the username. User read. I am entering the wrong username. The read-only user has been created and you can see the limited access to this user. He can only view every of the options available here. He cannot be able to create any asset. He can export the sheet only and he doesn't contain any other options available. If I will show you with the admin user, if you see, he cannot be able to add any asset or the inventory. Let's check with the super admin user, and if you see, it has a lot options available, and you see the create new asset option is available to this user, but not that the read only user. This is how you can create the read only user in your Snipe IT asset management tool. Hope you guys understood this creation of user. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.